Hi, I'm Mark from eReplacementParts.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the control cable on your Troy-Bilt TB130 lawnmower. We'll get started by cutting the cable ties that secure the control cable to the handle. Next, I'll remove the control cable from the bail at the top of the handle. Next, I'll remove the control cable where it mounts to the engine. And last, I'll remove it from the handle. Now we can install our new cable. First, I'll reattach it to the handle. Now we'll reattach it to the motor. Reconnect it to the bail. And last, I'll resecure it to the handle with some new cable ties.